Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix Xbox error 0x87DD0033. So guys, before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So guys, our first step is to restart the Xbox application. So for that, you need to enter into your task manager. Over there, please untask the Xbox application which is running on the background. Yeah, once it's done, the second step is to sign out and sign back in. So for that you need to enter into the Xbox. Over the Xbox you need to enter into your profile, and then you can sign out the Xbox and then try to sign in and use the application. So our third step is to check date and time on settings. So for that you need to enter into your settings. Over the settings, please enter into time and language and set the preferred time zone and check whether the time is running correctly or not. So our fourth step is to repair Xbox application. So to repair your Xbox application, you need to enter into your settings. Over the settings, you need to enter into apps and then installed apps. So over there, please search for Xbox and enter to the three dot icon and then advanced option. Over the advanced option, you need to scroll down and enter into repair and reset. So our fifth step is to reinstall gaming services. For that you need to search for Windows PowerShell and open it as run as administrator mode, and please copy the prompt in the description and paste it over there. Yeah, once you're done with the first prompt, please paste the second prompt and then it automatically redirect to install page of gaming service, and just install it and then click type exit to exit from the PowerShell. So our sixth step is to clear Microsoft Store cache. For that you need to press Windows R and then type wsreset.exe and then hit OK. Once you hit OK, it automatically redirect to the Microsoft Store and restart it. So our seventh step is to reset network settings. So for that you need to search for command prompt and enter as run as administrator mode, and please copy the prompt in the description and paste it over the CMD. So once all the command has been executed, please type exit to exit from the CMD. And our eighth step is to update Windows. So for that you need to enter into the settings and then Windows update, and please click check for update. If it shows any troubleshoot, please do check out my video to troubleshoot it. So our ninth step is to repair system files. For that you need to again enter into the command prompt as run as administrator mode, and you need to copy the prompt in the description and paste it on the CMD, and you need to wait for some times because you need to load from 0 to 100. So obviously it will take from 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah, the same for the second prompt, you need to wait for 5 to 10 minutes. It need to be load from 0 to 100. I'm just speeding up the video. Hardly it will take 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah, so once it's done, you need to restart your PC, and I hope you enjoy the video and the issue will be solved. And thank you guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.